The internet has revolutionized the way we live, work, and earn money. Nowadays, making money online is a viable option for people looking to supplement their income or even make a full-time living. Here are 5 ways to make money from the internet. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online. There are numerous websites that offer freelance opportunities for writers, designers, developers, marketers, and more. Freelancing allows you to work from anywhere, set your own rates and schedule, and choose the projects you want to work on. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting someone else's products or services and earning a commission on any sales made through your referral link. You can become an affiliate marketer for almost any product or service, and there are many affiliate networks that you can join to find products to promote. Online surveys. Online surveys are a quick and easy way to make money from the internet. There are many websites that pay you to take surveys, and while the pay is usually not very high, it can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. E-commerce. E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services online. There are many ways to get involved in e-commerce, from selling products on online marketplaces like Amazon and eBay to setting up your own online store. Online teaching/tutoring. Online teaching and tutoring is becoming increasingly popular, and there are many websites that connect teachers and tutors with students from around the world. You can teach a wide range of subjects, from languages and music to math and science. There are many ways to make money from the internet, and the opportunities are only growing. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or start a full-time online business, there's never been a better time to get started.